Alright, so here's what I did. Used a hole saw, 1 3/4 inches, and a pick. Right here towards the back of the muffler is where the packing is. So I didn't go all the way through. I left a piece right there so that it just works like a, I just pulled it down like that and was able to pick out the packing. And as you can see, that's how much packing I've got out of it. Now I already have the little $30 Amazon resonator delete in place. And now all the packing out. So we'll see what that sounds like. Probably going to be hard to hear the revs, but we'll give it a couple revs. Let's see what we can do here. And all that's left to do is just weld that back up.